So once we finish up with the 10 keypad, we'll continue to practice that throughout the semester, but then we're going to move on to learning the QWERTY keyboard, QWERTY, and it's critical to developing the skill of keyboarding that you learn the touch type method. And what the touch type method is a method of keyboarding using the correct finger on the correct key and doing it without looking at your hands. And by not looking at your hands, you actually improve speed and you improve accuracy. If you have to keep looking away from what you're typing or what you're thinking about, looking down at your hands, your eyes have to continually refocus. And so you start making more mistakes when you do that. Plus, you just can't type as fast. And typing faster is better than typing slower. As you will see as you go through high school, you get a lot of English papers you've got to write. It's a lot more fun to get things done faster than slower. And so when you go to college, you're going to have to, if you go to college or go to work, it's a skill that employers will appreciate because you get more work done in a shorter period of time. And if you're in college, you get your papers typed up faster, leaving you more time for other classes or for recreational pursuits that you may enjoy. So that's what we'll learn is the touch type method. And so here's another look at keyboarding using a program that some of you may have used down at the elementary school, a Microtype. And so what I'll demonstrate here is just typing without looking at my hands. Now, how would you know if I'm looking at my hands? Because you will see me do something like this. Looking up, looking down, looking up. And what it does is it tends to cause you to type a lot slower. So you just want to keep your eyes on that what you're typing or whatever it is you're thinking about without looking down. And in this class, if you can type at a pace that's about like this, which doesn't seem that fast, but really I'm typing about 25 or 30 words per minute, which is quite respectable. But if you can get to the point where you can do this, then if you keep at it, don't look at your hands, don't worry about mistakes, then eventually you can be moving along faster and almost get to the point where you can type and talk at the same time because you've practiced so much that it becomes pretty easy. You don't even really have to think about it. It's just this muscle memory that kicks in and your brain sees these letters and just automatically your fingers respond to them. Not that much different than somebody that can play piano or musical instrument real well. So that's what we'll be doing. Touch type keyboarding.